2008 Beijing Olympics were billed as China's grand global debut, a dazzling showcase of sport, diplomacy and power projection. But away from the stadium lights and spectacle, something far more discreet was taking place. In the backdrop of this global event, two of South Asia's most influential political dynasties, the Gandhis of India and the Bhuttos of Pakistan, met quietly in Beijing. Then Congress President Sonia Gandhi, accompanied by Rahul and Priyanka, was in Beijing on the invitation of the Chinese Communist Party, the CPC. So was Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, along with his sisters and top leaders of the Pakistan People's Party. According to reports, both delegations were guests of the CPC, not just for the Olympic ceremony, but for a deeper diplomatic dance. The meeting between the Gandhis and the Bhuttos reportedly lasted about 30 minutes. Sonia Gandhi is said to have expressed heartfelt condolences to the Bhutto siblings, mourning the loss of their mother, former PM Benazir Bhutto, who had been assassinated earlier that year. At the time, PPP's Rehman Malik described the meeting as personal and emotional, with no political discussions involved. But here's where it gets interesting. Reports suggest that during the same visit, the Indian National Congress signed an MOU with the Chinese Communist Party, a document that reportedly allowed consultations on political and international matters. The contents of that agreement were never made public, and to this day, Congress has not offered a detailed clarification. Similar reports emerged about the PPP signing a comparable agreement with the CPC later that year, though again, no formal details have been confirmed. Now, over 18 years later, that single photograph has resurfaced, sparking a fresh wave of public scrutiny. Critics and commentators are asking if it was merely a condolence meeting. Why were both the political dynasties hosted by the Chinese Communist Party? And what exactly did that MOU contain? While no one's claiming the meeting was a formal diplomatic negotiation, its symbolism involving heirs of rival nations on Chinese soil cannot be dismissed. These are not ordinary families. They are political lineages with legacies and ambitions. Every handshake, every meeting, especially abroad, carries weight. Congress has so far remained silent, offering no new response to the resurfaced image. But in today's charged political climate, silence only fuels suspicion. What began as a quiet gesture of condolence is now under a harsh political spotlight. The question is no longer just who met whom, but why, where, and under whose watch.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update.